the people are just what make this place so great and what want me to stay and help make it a better place. And specifically the shipbuilders that I have the opportunity to work with help inspire me and help push me to become a better person every single day.
You need a job, but to have a job that, what we do and who we do it for and kind of the weight of what we do every day, that's probably the main thing that drives me to want to stay here, to want to move up in the company and to keep, giving 100% every day.
Opportunities are definitely here. If you want it, it's here to come and get. And like I tell anybody, do your job, do your best, because you never know who's watching you.
I'm amazed every day. This yard does great things every day. We produce some of the best products in the world, and we give them to our Navy to help defend the nation. So this is always a fantastic opportunity to come in every day and be a part of that.
It's such a great feeling, and it's such a big feeling too, because you really do feel it from the time you walk in the gate to the time you leave. You feel the history, and you feel the camaraderie, and you just feel that entire shipbuilding legacy and tradition, because it's just steeped around you. The company culture is just steeped. I mean, even the rock behind us, everybody has those words ingrained in them. It's just the greatest feeling.
As crazy as it sounds, I love it. I don't know if that makes me a glutton for punishment, but I thrive in bringing order to chaos. And so coming in and finding a new problem to solve, you mix that with, thinking about the bigger mission and purpose of what we do. And so I feel almost a sense of responsibility to come in, even when I don't feel like it, to give what I've got that day to contribute to our bigger mission.
Birthplace of freedom. I mean, that's a very eye-opening statement. There's nobody else can do what we do, and so that right there sets the stage for us being able to achieve the impossible.
I do think it's amazing what we do here, and everyone here has grit. Everyone here has that momentum, or I'll say fire inside of them, and commitment, and it might not be unlocked every day, but it's there, and some people might have to be, awaken in themselves. But it's so important knowing that everyone's continuing the legacy here and being a part of the mission and really being a part of history.
Every day you gotta come in the shipyard, feel like you're gonna make a difference. If you just come in there for a paycheck, you're doing the wrong thing. I tell everybody that sometimes you think all this work just magically happens. It doesn't. It takes the hard work of everybody in the shipyard, and we got to put our heart and souls into this stuff here so we can build a good ship. It's hard work.
It's also intimidating. Everybody plays a part, and everybody understands that, and you have to. From a weld to a bolt being tight to wiring, every piece matters. Everybody wants to be proud of what they've accomplished as a team, and we know the result of what we're doing is going to be right on the money. It's what this country needs.
Well, to be one of 25,000 shipbuilders here, I feel like what I do make a difference, and I take pride in what I do. I would say it definitely motivates me to keep going. It gives me a spark to keep encouraging people to not give up, keep pushing forward, keep doing great quality work, and keep continuing to build great ships.
Shipbuilding is an art, as we all know, and there's challenges for building ships. And it's just like every day. You got high tides and low tides, and that applies to life as well. But every tide's a tide of opportunity. So we got to look at these challenges as opportunities to show everybody in the world what we're capable of.